Hi, my name is Fried Allers. I'm working as a public affairs manager for AB InBev in Germany. And I'm sitting here in the brewery Beck Co in Bremen, where we brew Becks and Beck and other beer brands.
EDF Renewables Deutschland is a part of the French electricity company EDF. We offer battery storage for industrial companies, and we decided early on that we offer them for as a service solution.
We had the battery system installed by EDF because the electricity price in Germany is in part determined by the grid fee. And the grid fee is in height determined by the height of our energy usage peaks in the brewery. By cooling and heating processes, we create these peaks and we want to shave them off. And this topic also has a sustainability angle. To make it possible that renewable electricity sources are integrated into the electricity net, you need to shave off these peaks because renewable electricity is not as flexible and cannot react to these usage peaks. So shaving these peaks off makes it far easier to integrate sustainable energy sources into the electricity grid. We opted for an as-a-service solution because we are provided with energy as a service here. And this means that we don't have to engage in setting up the facilities, for example, or maintaining the facilities. This is all taken care of within the contractual obligations that EDF has towards us.
We take care of everything. We take care of sizing the battery, what size does it need to be. So that means we look at the electricity consumption of the brewery or of other companies. We look at the space, where can we put a battery. All the analysis that need to be done, we do them. We buy all the components. And by the way, the battery is always in our hands. We always own it, so that's why we of course also pay for the battery. And then we take care of the installation. And then of course the operation and maintenance is in our hand as well. We operate the battery, we always know when to charge, when to discharge. And if we want to bring the energy transition forward, we need to give tools to the hands of industrial companies. Yeah, and that's what we try to do with the battery, that's what we try to do with PV, and for all the other elements that you can put to it, to give them tools in their hands to be an active player and also a very positive player in the energy transition.